Joanne from Firefly Craft here today to talk about using a heat press pillow to make a lovely bag. I have this cute cactus bag that I found on clearance, and I made a decal out of our holographic silver. It's the state of Arizona. It says home. That's where I'm from, and I think it's fitting for this bag. I love it with the kind of holographic looking handles. Now, the only problem is this bag is bulky, has seams, has things that I don't want to worry about the pressure not getting to where it needs to be. Remember, heat transfer vinyl needs heat and pressure in order to adhere properly. So, in order to help with the pressure piece, I'm going to put a heat press pillow inside my bag here. Here's the other thing I was worried about is these snaps. So I'm putting this heat press pillow inside my bag. I've already adjusted the pressure on my machine. You want to make sure before you put any heat on it that it can hold your pillow and whatever your garment is that you're putting in. You want to adjust the pressure for that so you can still close it and get the pressure that you need. I'm going to go ahead and put this in. Like I said, mine's already been adjusted for that. And there you have it, home sweet home Arizona.